How to make money online with digital products. Digital products are those products that you cannot hold, touch, or feel, but you can use them to actually make a lot of money online. Today, so many persons desire to make money online, but they are confused about what to do. So today I'm going to be sharing with you one of the easiest and the best way that you can utilize what you already have to start making money online. So I'm talking about digital products. If you are new to the channel, welcome. So today we're talking about digital products. So digital products are basically those products that are virtual in nature. That means you cannot hold them, you cannot touch them, and you cannot feel them physically, but you actually enjoy them. Things like ebook, things like online course, and a lot of things that are virtual in nature. So how can you, as somebody who desires to make money online, leverage on this to start making money? The first thing is that you need to look inwards. What I mean is that you have something, right? All of us have something. There's something we can do. And I'm going to be giving you options. Number one, you may be able to teach something, maybe able to write something, maybe able to sell tools and templates, or even pictures and even videos, right? All these are virtual products that you can create, right? I'm talking about you creating them now. Of course, there are third-party platforms where you can get this in for free, like PLR platform where you can get videos and ebooks and a lot of templates for free that you can modify to start making money, all right? But I'm talking about you creating from scratch. Of course, I'm going to be giving you those options in the description where you can go and get free, ebooks that you can sell for yourself. But let's say you're able to create something for yourself. That means you have skills, you have knowledge about something, and you can actually sit down and create something. Maybe make a video, or maybe write an ebook, or any other thing like that, all right? Now, what do you need to do? The first thing is you're going to brainstorm, all right? You're going to brainstorm about what you can do. That means you're going to come up with options. Okay, I can write this, I can come up with this, I can create this course, I can do this, I can do that. So once you are done with that brainstorming, you will now narrow it to one thing. Let's say you narrowed it, at the end of the day, you narrowed it, okay, let me create an online course, for instance, right? You come up with the topic of the course, you come up with your outline, right? You sit down and write your content. Now, writing content is not difficult because you already know that you already have knowledge around that course. You can research online, look at what others have written about it, use AI. But the most important thing is that you have to be original, right? You have to write something that is you, because if you go online and just copy and paste, that document, whatever you are creating, will be watered down. That means when people actually interact with this thing, they will know that these things were just copy and paste thing, right? So you need to create something that can last, something that at the end of the day can have your signature on it. It may take a while, right? But it will be worth it. So that is what we're going to take time to create something worthwhile. So you decided in an online course, you're taking your time to come up with your topic, come up with your content, your outline, and you start writing. After writing, you will shoot your video, because of course, with an online course, the best will be video course, right? You shoot your video, and you already have what you need to shoot your video. You already have your mobile phone, and even if you don't have money to buy artificial light, you can use natural light. That means you open up your window, let the natural sun come in, or you can even go outdoor. Go to a quiet place outdoor, maybe a park or something, at a time where most people don't visit that place. Take your tripod stand and your mobile phone, and of course a microphone if you can afford one, right? Then you do your shooting. You can get an assistant, awesome. If you cannot, well, you can still do it yourself, right? So you start shooting your course. You can even do it from your bedroom or from your parlor or wherever, right? Even if your parlor is not that beautiful, your wallpaper can do, or you can even finish shooting and use artificial background. It's done. It doesn't take anything. AI can do that for you, right? So the most important thing is the content. What are you going to dish out for people to hear or for people to learn from you? You shoot your content. Now, when shooting your content, please take note, the duration of the video must not be more than 10 minutes, right, per module. Make it very short. Why? So the attention span of people are very short online. So people want it short. So even if the whole video is about 1 hour, you can divide it by 10. That means you have 5 modules. Or you can even divide it even 7 minutes. Make it as short as possible. Not too short, but of course, not too long. From 5 minutes, between 5 minutes and 10 minutes is fine. All right? So you shoot your video. After shooting your video, it's time for editing. Now, you can edit your video using tools, mobile tools like InShot, CapCut. All these are on your mobile phone for free, right? Download the app and just get your hand around editing. You can just go to YouTube, find out how to edit with CapCut and InShot, and you edit your video, right? Edit your video and make sure it's nice. After editing, it's time to choose your platform. Now, in choosing platform, there are 3 platforms you can use. For instance, you have Udemy. Udemy allows you to teach on their platform, so you can leave your course on their platform, and from there you are going to, be able to use their platform to sell. Okay. Now, Udemy is one platform. Another platform is Skillshare. Skillshare is another platform you can use. Teachable and so many other platforms. Just go online and search for free platform where you can upload your code. I'm giving you to Skillshare, I'm giving you Udemy. These are good platforms where we can share your knowledge. Of course, as they sell your course, they will take a little cut because they are providing the tools for you to be able to sell. You can even utilize YouTube. YouTube is a good platform because it's totally free. You're not paying a dime. Now, with YouTube, you're going to upload the video as what's it called now? You're going to upload it as that is going to be on private. What's that name now? Okay, I'll come up with it. I've forgotten the other one, but I will let you know. Unlisted, yes, it's unlisted. So you're going to upload it as unlisted because you have public, unlisted, and private. So the public one is available for everybody. The unlisted is available to only those who have the link. So those who have the link of the video, be able to view your unlisted video. While the private one are only available to the people you give access. So you're going to use unlisted. You're going to host it on YouTube, right? Use unlisted, or you're going to run it as a private course kind of thing. That means you market it, people indicate interest. You can use private. That means you add them to the email and they will have access to the course. So these options are available to you. So YouTube is also a platform. The only downside to YouTube is that at the end of the video, right, other videos will pop up. That's the only downside. But it doesn't mean anything. You're trying to sell something and you don't have money, you want to start from scratch. So everything I'm giving you is something you can do without spending any money to get started. Now you've uploaded your course is ready. Of course, the next is to promote the course, right? Promoting the course entails that you're going to reach out to your community. Because I said that now, by now, you already have people, that interact with whatever you're doing. But if you don't have, that means before you start sharing the course, you're going to start building, letting people know. Maybe do a short, maybe 5 minutes intro about what the course is all about. A kind of freebie you want to give them to taste what you want to share, right? So you give them something ahead of time. We call help before selling. So you're going to give them some knowledge, some tips from the course. Pick here and there and share with them. So that will drive their interest to be interested in what they're going to sell. Now, costing the course. And this is very critical. In costing the course, at this initial stage, you're going to be very, very, very gentle on your costing because nobody knows you yet. Nobody knows what you're offering. People don't even trust you because you're just new. So you're going to start costing your course. Is it cheaper? Yeah, it's going to be very cheap. Right? So that's easy for people to sign up. So make sure it's cheap, right? Is it because your course doesn't have value, that's why it's cheap? No, it's because you want to get people to taste what you have. It's like you have beautiful, nice, tasty food, but people don't even trust that you know how to cook. So you want to give it to them at an affordable price. So by the time you taste it, so as more and more people sign up to your course, you can gradually start increasing the price, right? At first, you might say you're doing a promo or something, or early bird or something. So you just start with little amounts, then you gradually increase. So as you increase, you start earning money. All right. So these are ways you can earn money from digital products. Remember, there are several digital products you can promote. I just gave you an example with online course. There are ebook, there are templates, there are tools, there are other things you can, use, to create your digital course. But the most important thing is that I'm giving you one that you can go ahead and try. Now, watching this video is good, but implementing is better, right? So that means you're going to go ahead and implement what you have learned by going ahead to create something, a digital product that will pay you continuously. One of the benefits of digital product is that it pays you continually. You do the work once, but the payment is, continuous. You can sell your course, for years to come. People keep buying the same thing. So long there is value. All right. That means whatever you are creating must be very, very valuable. I talked about that in the beginning, that you're going to take your time. Don't be in a rush. Take your time and create something that will be worth it. So if you do this, you're going to start earning money with digital products. Is it simple? Yes, it is. All you need to do is take action. All right. Go ahead and implement, and let me know what you think in the comment section. All right. I'm going to leave some resources in the description, so that free resources where you can get free ebook. If you want to sell ebook, you can get ebook that you can modify. I'll leave some platform for you. And other things you may be needing to create this, I'll leave it in the description. Be sure to check the description. All right, if you found value in the video, of course, like the video, share the video, and of course, come back for more. I'll see you again in another exciting video.